uh, 2006 Nissan Altima 3.5 liter engine. To put the bolt for the alternator, it's all the way back there. That's like really hard to put in. That one. This one right here. What I ended up doing, which I thought was easy, only took me 5 minutes, ended up taking the heat shield off for the exhaust. Three 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and that made that made it 1,000 times easier, you know, because you can see where you can put the bolt in and with the pliers. So I ended up using like some long needle nose pliers. Let me see what. I ended up using some long needle nose pliers to hold it from right here. To hold the pliers right here. I mean, to hold that bolt right here, and I just guided it with another plier over here, you know, and just easily insert it in. That's a little tip, how to put that bolt in for that alternator. That's like the hardest thing. There's a lot of videos out there that teaches you how to like take off the alternator. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to like give you guys a little heads up how to put that bolt that's really difficult. You know, that's what I ended up doing. I thought, you know, it made it like 1,000 times easier for me. I was struggling to put it in with the heat shield on, so I just basically took it off. I was planning to take out the whole exhaust, but I just took the heat shield off, and it made it way easier. Let me know what you guys think.